Hi, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for the BMW X3. Here we got battery CR2450, yeah. And then you see, to release the blade, there's at the back of the key, right? You just press it down and pull it out like that. Yeah, this is the blade of the key. Now the to remove the cover, this cover here, if you look inside there, there's a catch there, right? If you just push it up like that, see, you will pop up, you know. Yeah, you pop up, you see the battery in there, and then you just use a screwdriver to push it out like that, see. Okay, and then it's put it back in, go in like that. Yeah, you have to go in like that, and then put the cover back on like that. Yes, you press it down. Yeah, press it down like that. Yeah, see, it's done. Is it? It's very easy. Yeah, so put the blade back on here like that. Okay, it's very easy. This is this is a BMW X3 generation 2014 to 2017. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.